more interview question mm, that has been asked in many interview. So they will ask like create a user, build a form and put their email ID and username, phone number, and create one user in your user and show me after creating it. So do the login by that user and see if you are able to log in or not. So such kind of question they have asked, right? So let's perform how we can complete how we can perform implement this scenario and within the given time in the interview. So let's do this practical. I have like I will one screen there. We will create like we will ask we will create the form and we will add their username, their email ID and their password, and after filling up this data there should be one button create user, and that after clicking on that create user, that user should be created in the and we will able to log in by that user. So this is the question they have asked. So let's perform this activity and see how we can complete, how we can reply, how we can perform this such kind of question. So I will create I will first I will build the form. So let's build the form first. I will put the form here uh, and to create the user, I think we in the system we have user table. So so we have user table, and I think I believe we have to create one entry here, like the name, username, password, email, and phone number. So so in this table, if let's suppose if we are putting some we are putting one user, one data, that user will be get created, and by that user we can do the login. So this is what we have to do, then only we can perform such thing. So I added the form in the screen. I will create one local variable by the user type, and will ask user to put fill all these data like name, username, password, and email. And by just for this four data we will create the user one entry in this table, and let's see if I am able to do login or not. So such question they have asked, so let's perform this activity. So I just build the sign up page, but you can give any name if you want. And so I already put the form. So now what I will do, I will create one local variable in this screen, and data time will be user. So so we have user table, so data type will be similar to user table, so that we should have all the input in this variable. So user table, and we can give the user here, and password is there, email is there, username is there, name is there. So let's add this value in the form. So we can directly drag and drop. This is a shortcut. Then username. So we can use a shortcut in the interview because we have to complete uh, this practical in the like in the less time. So we can use this method, no issue. Name is there, username is there, password I can put. Let me put the email I added. For password, I will make one input parameter. This is the this container is for button, this one is for email. Let's copy this and put it paste it here, so that so this come at the end. I will put before the button, and the label will be password. Instead of email, label will be password. Okay. And this email will be input dot password. You can give any name, it doesn't matter, but I will give that password. And which variable will hold this value? User dot password. User dot password. User dot password. This variable will hold this value. Now do one thing. Now do one thing. So input password is there, and okay, and on click of this section, on click of this form, we will create one data, and we will create we will do the CRUD operation, like we can use this syntax and create or update user, so it will create one data in the database. So I can use directly this value, and I will pass the user local variable, and we can show the success message, like user has created something, user is created is created successfully. S U double C E S S F U. Oh, successful. Would you have created successfully? So we can type will be success. We can show this message. So I think this will create the thing, but let's make this form as anonymous so anyone can create. But this product page, just make it not anonymous, and see if we are able to access this page or not. So sign up page is there. I will publish it. So first we will put all the value like name, username, password, and email, and we'll see user is getting created or not. If user is getting created, we will try to do login, and we'll check login is happening or not. If login is not happening, means we have to be like things are not working, and the interviewer will reject. They will tell that this is not the right way, and you just created the user, but you can't do the login, so there is no sense to create the user. So question is that you have to create the user, and then you have to do the login, and you will be able to login, do the login. So this is the whole. So let's open that sign up page, this page, sign up page, open in the browser. Okay, I am able to open this page, sign up page. I will put all the data in the form, like name is like something uh, like Michelle something, and username will be Michelle at the rate gmail.com, and pass email and password, let's make it control Z, let's make it both same, and password I'm just putting 12345, and save this. So user has created, but let's check the data in the table. So view the data, user is created or not. So you can see user has created, password is 12345, but you can see this is the plain password 123 4 and 5, and this is the plain password. So we have to give we have to encrypt it, otherwise it will not work. Let's try to do login, it's working or not. So I have product page, I will open this page. This is not anonymous, so open in browser, just see if we are able to log in or not. So I am using that Michel, Michel at the rate gmail.com, and 12345, and do the sign up. So you can see invalid username and password, and we can see 12345 was the password, but we are not able to do the login. So how we can complete this then? So there is a one in the manner dependency. We have one module, user module, and there we have one action, encrypt password, right? So we have to pass the username and password. It will encrypt the password. This encrypted password we have to save in the database, and then it will work. Otherwise not. So the interviewer basically they wants to check this only. So let's refresh it. Let's add this action, and use this action inside of this save on click, and we can, I think we can perform encrypt password. Encrypt password. We will pass the username from the form. So here we in the local variable we should have that username, and password we will put whatever the user has added the password, and it will give the encrypted password. This section will give the encrypted password. See the output parameter of this section, the encrypted password, and this password we are going to assign. So this password we are going to assign in the form variable, like okay, the password is here. No, this password we are going to assign. Okay, the password, and then in the password we will assign that encrypted password. And after doing the success, right? After giving the success, user is created success. We will we will we will what we will do? We will redirect this page to this product screen. So let's use the destination, and we will redirect the page to the product screen so that we will able to do the login. So I am publishing the module. I will refresh the page and we'll see this is working or not. So use this encrypt password by building the sign up page or something. So when your database is user table only then. So then only you will able to do login, otherwise not. So I'm going back to the sign up page, and I will refresh the page again. Page has refreshed. I will create another URL like John, and email will be like john@gmail.com. Username and email I will keep both same, and password I'm making 12345, 12345 and 6. So password is 12345 and 6, and save it. So you can see password has encrypted. Now we are going to the login page. We are going to the product page. It will get to the product page, but it will not if it will ask us to do the login. So we will do the login by John, John, and password we will give 12345, 12345 and 6. Save it. Do the sign up. You can see we are able to do the login, John. So now we are able to do the login, but let's click on the product, and things are coming.